Good morning, standard 10 students. The chapter that is very simple chapter. So 3 marks questions coming in board examination, and only you have to follow some certain things you have to keep in mind that I will explain you later on. First, the probability. The probability, meaning of the probability in Hindi we say संभावना. आज बारिश होगी कि नहीं होगी इसकी क्या संभावना है. तो these type of things we will study in mathematics. That is known as probability. So first, some terms are there related to the probability that you know what is the term, what is the meaning of this term. First, experiment. What is experiment? It a process which result is some well-defined outcome is known as an experiment. Once again, a process which results in some well-defined outcome is known as an experiment. Example, when a coin is tossed, we shall be getting either head or tail. When we toss a coin, right, we shall get either head or tail. Its outcome is head or tail. What will come? Either head or tail, which is well defined. Is it? That's why in definition given, a process which result is some well defined outcome is known as an experiment. Second example, when a dice is thrown, the possible outcome are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which are also well defined. Next term is random experiment. What is a random experiment? Listen. Random experiments means all the outcomes of the experiments are known in advance. All the outcomes in advance is known. That is known as the random experiment. Example, tossing a coin is a random experiment because there are only 2 possible outcomes, head and tail, and these outcomes are known well in advance. But the specific outcome of the experiment, whether a head or a tail will come, is not known. Is it? Head or tail will come, either head will come or tail will come, but which one will come, that I don't know. So that is known as random experiment. So experiment and random experiment. Next one is sample space. Sample space. The set of all possible outcome and experiment is called sample space. Total outcome. Example, when we throw a dice, what will come? Digit will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the total. We write this outcome in a curly, inside a curly bracket, that is known as the sample space. Next, how many outcomes will be there together? First, if we toss 2 coins together, so how many total outcome will be there? So 1 coin, 2 outcome, another coin, 2 outcome. So all together there will be 4 outcomes. How many outcomes? 4. Example, see, when we toss 2 coins inside the curly bracket you have to write. If first coin head, maybe the second coin also head. If first coin tail, maybe the second coin also tail. If first coin head, maybe the second coin tail. If first coin tail, maybe the second coin head. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So first coin 2 outcomes, second coin 2 outcomes, so total 4. 4 outcomes. Similarly, when one dice has 6 outcomes, one dice 6 outcomes, So 6. And when we throw two dice together, the how many total outcomes? So 6 into 6, that is 36 outcomes. How? If first dice 1, second dice 1, first dice 1, second dice 2, first dice 1, second dice 3, first dice 1, second dice 4, first dice 1, second dice 5, first dice 1, second dice 6. Similarly, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Similarly, third one, first 3, then 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6. Is that? Similarly, 4, 1, 8, 5, 1, and 6, 1. So when you will write all the terms, when you will count, it will be 36. So it means how many total outcomes? That is the formula to the power n. Right? 2, 8, 2n. So this is the formula that you have to write. N in place total outcome. What is n? N total outcome. Then different terms, sure outcomes, sure event, impossible event. What is sure event? When we throw a dice, we know one digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will come. But when this is sure, when we talk about when we throw a dice, 7 will come. Impossible. So this is impossible event, sure and sure event. 1 to 6 is a sure event. And how to solve the questions based on the probability. We write each and every question you have to write this step. P stands for probability. E for event. Then you will write favorable outcome by total outcome. This one, suppose question number 1, first, second, third. The first also you have to write this, second also you have to write this form, and third also you have to write this form. Then you have to solve this. How say data? If we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have to find the probability of the even number. First question. We will write P stands for probability, E for event, what number? Even number. Probability of even number. Count the even number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 even numbers are there. So we will write favorable outcome by total outcome. So how many favorable outcomes? Even number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. By total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to write in the simplest form. Don't write in another form. Simplest form. 1 by 2 is the probability. 8. Similarly, question number 2. Find the probability of odd numbers. Probability, here you write odd number. 8. Favorable outcome by total outcome. So favorable outcome is odd number. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many odd number? 4. Total number 8. Simplest form 1 by 2. Third question. Probability of a prime number. So prime number right here. Prime number. So how many prime number? 1 is not a prime number. So 2, 3, 5, 7. 8, 2, 3, 5, 7 is a prime number. So you have to write favorable outcome by total outcome. Then prime number 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2. These things you have to write in gesture. Then finally you have to use the formula and then you have to write the value. This type of question is there. So suppose this question I extend this question up to 9, then 11, then 20, 21, 24, 28, 30 and give the value. Then you have to first find probability of even number. So first of all, you write all the even number in the curly bracket. What one? Then no confusion will be there. Even number 2, 4, 6, 8, 20, 24, 28, 30. Even number? Write here even number. Set of even number. Set of even number. This much. Then you find the probability. The probability of the even number, favorable outcome by total outcome. So favorable outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 40. Simplest form. 4 to the and 7 to the, means 4 by 7 is the answer. 8. So this type of question, one more. Suppose in a bag, 7 red ball, 5 blue and 3 green color ball are there. Without staying inside the bag, you put your hand, you have to pick up one ball. What is the probability that is green? How will find this question? The probability, you will write probability of the green is equal to favorable outcome by total outcome. Probability of the green. Now green ball is total 3. 3 by total outcome. So total outcome, add all blue, green, red, all. Then write in the simplest form. That will be the answer. Some more question I will solve in the next class. Before that, you solve 5 or 6. Very simple exercise it is. Only one exercise. Thank you very much.